Hello everyone. Gautam Ayurveda Academy online classes welcomes you all. As a continuation of detailed drugs, today we will see the second drug, that is Agnimanta. Myself, Dr. M. V. Vidurga Prasad, Assistant Professor, Department of Dravyaguna. Coming to the basonym, that is Nirukti, Agnim Mathanati Deepanatvat. When two dried sticks of Agnimanta rub each other, will produce fire. And when administered internally, stimulate digestive fire. So we should understand that it is a upama. When these sticks rub together, produce fire. That means when it is administered internally, stimulates the digestive fire. Coming to the synonyms, Ganikarika, Gane Samuhe Bhava Prasaranti Va. Gane Samuhe, that means it grows like a bush, and Prasaranti Va, it spreads vigorously. It grows vigorously. Nadei, Nadhyam Bhavaha, grows on river banks. Ketuhu, Patakeva Pushpa Manjari, inflorescence resembles like that of kite. Vaijayantika, same meaning, it resembles like that of kite. Jaya, Jayati Rogan, cures many diseases. Jayanti, Rogan Jayanti, overcomes the diseases. Aranika, Agni Rupena Prayujamanaha, that means it can be used as a source of fuel like dried cow dung. Tarkari, it is a colloquial name, that means it is a Rudi Nama. The Rudi Nama means the name which is used from the ages, but it doesn't have any particular meaning. Coming to the regional names or vernacular names, English it is called wind killer, Hindi it is called Arani, Kannada Taggi Gida, Malayalam Tirutali, Marathi Iron. Botanical name Clerodendron flammaris and Premna integrifolia. Family Verbenaceae, Kula, Nirgundi Kula. Coming to the classification of Dravya, that is Ghana Vargikarana. Charaka mentioned under Shita Prashamana, Shotahara, Anuvasanopayoga. Shushruta, Veeratarvadi, Varunadi, Bruhat Panchamola. Bhava Prakasha, mentioned under Guduchadi Varga. Next, coming to the taxonomical classification, Kingdom Plantae, Class Dicotyledon, Order Lamiales, Family Verbenaceae, Genus Clerodendron, and Species Flammaris. Coming to the habitat, the plant is found all over India, grows abundantly in Karnataka, Maharashtra, and throughout dried parts of India. Coming to the varieties, Dhanvantari Nigantu, it is said that Agnimanta, Nadei, and Kshudra Agnimanta, three types of Agnimanta. Agnimanta here, it means Tarkari, Kshudra Agnimanta, Aranika. Kaideva Nigantu said two types, that is Agnimanta and Tarkari. Rajanigantu said Agnimanta and Kshudra Agnimanta. Agnimanta botanically identified as Premna integrifolia, Kshudragnimanta botanically identified as Clerodendron flammaris. So coming to the next, morphology. First we will see the morphology of Clerodendron flammaris. It is a large bush or small tree and less pubescent branches. They are more near pubescent, that means hairy. So coming to the leaves, they are simple, opposite, shape is ovate or subrhomboid, margin is crenate or dentate, Texture is glabrous above, pubescent below. Glabrous means shiny. Above it is shiny and below it is pubescent. Small hairs are present. Coming to the inflorescence, axillary cyme arranged in a rounded terminal panicle. It is an axillary cyme arranged in a rounded terminal panicles. Flowers are white or pinkish color. If you see the diagram here, these are white color and here these are light pinkish tint will be seen. Coming to the fruit is drupe, above wide, black when ripe. When it become ripened, if you see here, it is black. Okay. Premna integrifolia. It is a large shrub or small tree, yellowish lenticellate, large branches, sometimes spinous. Okay. Sometimes branches are spinous. Leaves are simple, opposite, shape is broadly elliptic, entire margin, rounded base, subacute apex. If you see here, it's a simple leaf. Simple leaf means single leaf at a node. It is a single leaf. If you see, opposite means there are opposite to one leaf, there will be another leaf. That is opposite. And shape is broadly elliptic, entire margin. If you see here, entire margin and rounded base, subacute apex. This is the actual arrangement of leaves. Coming to the inflorescence, it is terminal corymbose cyme. It is terminal corymbose cyme. Flower is greenish, yellow, disagreeable odor. The smell will be little bit disagreeable. Fruit is pear shaped, small, and it is when ripened it will be black in color. Coming to the chemical composition, important chemical compositions are preamine, clerodendron A, essential oils, triterpenes, polyphenols. Okay. Coming to the rasa panchaka, rasa is katu tikta kashaya madura rasa, guna is lagu ruksha guna, virya is ushna virya, and vipaka is katu vipaka. Karma is shotagna, agnivardaka, vibandhahara. Okay, these are the karmas. So if shotahara means it is one among the dashamola, the drug Agnimanta is there in one among the dashamola. So doshagnata kafa vata shamaka, rogagnata pandu, agnimandya, vibandha, jvara, arshas, admana, shvayatu. Coming to the amayika prayoga, arshas, kashaya of leaves of shigru, ashmantaka and agnimanta are used as avagaha sweda. It is given avagaha sweda. This is the ashmantaka and this is shigru. Ashmantaka and shigru. Urustamba, kashaya of agnimanta and karanja. This is the karanja drug. Is sprinkled. Kashaya prepared out of agnimanta and karanja, sprinkled over the uru region. Uru means thigh region, and paste is applied at the uru region externally, thigh region. So then it will relieve the urustamba. Shita pitta means arctic area. Churna taken with ghee. Churna taken with ghee will reduce the shita pitta. Coming to the dose, Kvata 50 to 100 ml, Swarasa 10 to 20 ml, Churna 1 to 3 grams. Coming to the formulations, Dashamula Arishta mainly used in Shula, Swasa, Aruchi. Dhanvantara Gruta, it is mainly used in Kushta, Prameha, Shota. Narayana Taila, it is used in Vata Vyadhi, Prakupita Vata. Indukanta Gruta, It is mainly Vatavyadi. Agaruvadi Taila. Agaruvadi Taila is said in Shita Jwara, in Charaka Chikitsa. Coming to the classical reference. So Agnimantaha Shvayatu Nudhiryoshnam Kafavatahrit Pandunut Katutikta Tuvaro Maduro Agnida. That means here Agnimanta is mainly used in Shvayatu and it is Ushnavirya. Kafavata Hrit, it reduces the Kapha and Vata. Pandunut, it reduces anemia, that is Pandu. Katuka Tikta Tuvara, Katu Tikta Kashaya and Madhura Rasa Agnida, which increases the Agni. Okay, this is what about Agnimanta in total. So if you like, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.